Hello and welcome to the Creative Community Members Area. I'm going to give you a little tour and show you what is available to you and how you can best use this membership. When you log in, you're going to come into an area that gives you three options. You'll click on Creative Community, just like you always have if you've been a member here for a while. And then you will be here on our main page. So at the top here, everything that you need will be here on this one page. And at the top here, you've got a little welcome photo, a link to our Facebook group where our community is and where we interact and have our question and answer time every month. You have a link to our main supply list, which tells you what kinds of things I would recommend that you purchase. And then there's another button for you to request a painting critique. And this will take you to an album that's in our Facebook group where you can post a photo of a painting that you may be having problems with, and I'll come in there periodically and give assistance and help and ideas for how you might be able to fix that up a little bit. And it's called Troubleshooting. That's the name of the album. And I just do exactly that. I help you to troubleshoot whatever problems you may be having with your paintings at the moment. Okay, when we scroll down, you find our video that you're watching now, the tour of the membership. Over here, we have a sidebar on the right that has some information. There's a search area where you can search the membership for topics or ideas or whatever it is that you may be looking for. Our schedule for the month will be posted right here underneath the search bar. You still have access to the archives library. You click on this button here. The All About Mediums area is right here. The Artist Flight Path, where you can go in for your self-assessment and figure out where you are on the Artist Flight Path. And then there's also an area where you can join my texting list and get alerts from the creative community there. So that's all right here in this one little spot, all put together for you. Okay, also over here, our main area is this tutorials by topic area. And I'm really excited about this because if you are looking for information about flowers, you can just click on florals and it will take you to every tutorial that we have available in the members area, in the archives library, that is all about flowers. And they're all going to be listed here for you to click on and use whenever you want to. Okay. While I'm here, I'm going to show you this. If you click off of that main page and you need to go back, all you have to do is hover over the words member login and you'll see this right here. It says CC Home. When you click that, it will take you right back to our home page. So no matter where you are, that is going to be the way for you to get back to your home page. Okay, so we've got all of these by topic now: technique, mixed media, other topics that may not fall into these 6 main categories here. We've got all of our behind the scenes, anything that has to do with business, our guest artists, and then I've got these 3 workshops: the Beautiful Bouquet Challenge, the Creative Wings Workshop, and the Breakthrough Sessions are all there for you in the topics area also. In addition to topics, we also have tutorials by skill level. So when you click on beginner level, it'll take you to all of our tutorials that are beginner level tutorials, intermediate, advanced, all the same thing, and they're all going to be here. And you can do the same thing to get back to your home page. You just click the CC Home and it brings you right back here. There's an email address here for you if you need assistance with anything, and some guidelines for you as far as what you can do and what you can't do with the tutorial videos and with the paintings that you create. Everything will continue to be added to this same area. So let's say it's July now. If you were here, this would say our July schedule. It will have our schedule according to date here. Once something is released, the link will turn blue like this, and you'll be able to click on it, and it will take you straight to that tutorial for that date. And then once these tutorials for the month have expired and we're moving on to the next month, they will automatically be put in by topic here, and they will also be saved in the archives library. So everything that you need is going to be right here. And if you have any questions, you can always email me at the email address down at the bottom of the page. I'm so happy that you're here.